Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mew. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw the first eye on the left with a curve down like this. Then a curve on the left, and then an angled curve at the bottom to close it off. Now let's draw the other eye in the same way on an angle but to the right like this. Now inside each eye, let's draw a curve along the inside. And then ovals inside each one at the top. Now let's move next to the eye and we're going to draw a small curve down like this. And that's it for the eyes. Let's draw the shape of the head now. Let's start by drawing a U shape underneath the eyes like this. Now let's draw the sides of the head. Let's move outwards a little bit above the eyes and let's draw a curve down and back in. And the same thing on the right. Now let's move to the top and we're going to draw a curve for the top of the head. Let's start here and we're going to bring it down slightly more longer on the left side. And lastly, let's add the ears. On the top left, let's draw a pointed V shape above the gap. Now on the right side, let's add the ear like this. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start by drawing the arms. On the bottom left of the head, let's draw a line out like this. And then 3 V-shaped points for the fingers. And then let's bring it back in to the face for the bottom of the arm. Now let's do the same thing for the right arm. Let's draw a line out, 3 fingers, and then a line back in, stopping here. Now let's continue drawing the body. Underneath the left side, let's draw a curve down and out. Then hop over to the right under the arm and let's draw a line down like this. Now from the bottom, let's curve it out and back in and up for the leg. Then on the left side, let's draw a curve down and over for the belly. Now on the left side, let's draw another curve out and back in for the other leg. Let's draw the feet next. Underneath the left side, let's draw a curve down and then bring it back up like this. And now inside, let's draw 2 curves for the toes. Now let's draw the right foot. Underneath the right leg, let's draw 2 angles down. Next, let's bring it down, curve it out, and back up like this. The bottom should be slightly wider. And then again, 2 curves at the bottom for the toes. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start on the right side next to the leg and we're going to draw a curve up and back into the head. Now let's follow the same curve on the right. Next, let's continue that curve on the left side of the head. We're going to bring it out and back over all the way like this. And again, let's follow that same curve on the right. This time we're going to stop here. Now to finish off the tail, we're going to curve it down and back up like this. And that's it for Mew. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!